Hello everyone, how are you? In this session, we are going to learn the pic editing. Alright, so to edit a pic, I am using a very nice software here, that's PicsArt, and I will share you the link of this software in the group so you can download it on Play Store, right? And then you can use it. Alright, so it just opened up. So you can see the plus icon here in pink color. Just click on this. This is like you can edit a pic, you can edit a video, you can make a collage, you can set the backgrounds, you can apply the effects, and you can even beautify your pic. So let us learn how to edit a pic. For example, let me take upon any one of the okay, I'm just taking any one of the pic from here, from my mobile. For example, I took this one. Alright, okay, so the very first option is tools. Using this you can crop your image. Like if I want to keep my image this one, I can easily scroll. So now see, I want only this much image, so I used tool and I cropped it. Okay, so let us move further. Now I want to add some text to it, so I have to use T, right? And I can write down welcome to RPS group of institutions. For example, I want to add this. Okay, yeah, now let's move further. Now it's done. I want to add this much text. Now I want to add some stickers to it. Click on the stickers. Okay, you can find so many stickers here already downloaded, and some you may download even. Alright, just see here, have some of the, like I want to use this one, so let's click on this. So yes, see, I want to add this sticker to this, so I can add my sticker. There's so many stickers, you can easily download those stickers. Alright, so now it's done. Click on the right icon. Now I want to use or doodle on this, right? I know you are doing that already. So there are so many options you can see here. Let me choose this option. Can you see how nicely it's getting done? I want to add some more of the doodles. Let's see. These are the effects you can easily add to your pics. This is one of the software which you can easily go with. Alright, so I'm done with it. Now some more options which you can use from here are, like, let me quickly tell you. You can add a frame to it. Okay, according to what is the occasion, right? For example, I want to add this one. Okay, so it's your choice if you want to add something or not add something. This is totally your choice. For example, I want to add this one. Okay, and something more, like if you want to fit it to the square, like for example, if you want to use it as your DP, like, so you have to make it a square. So just click on this option and you can give it a base like black color or whatever you want. In fact, you can give it a image blurriness even, so the same kind of image can come at the back. Any of them you can use. Okay, so click here. Now I don't want to do anything on my pic. Almost we have used maximum options. Just one more option I want to introduce to you. This is add photo. With this you can add any other photo over it. So like for example, I want to share one of the teachers' work here who shared today that she's a singer and all. So let me do it. I'm unique, I'm like helpful, loved it. Okay, so I want to keep it here, and I want to add some more pics to it. See, add. So you see how beautifully I'm able to present it using this option, add photo. Again, I want to add some more to it. Alright, and one more I'll add. So that will complete my pic actually. Okay, so here I added 4 pics, and now I wanted to introduce these pics in a stylish way, not in a simple way. So you can see how nicely I have presented it. Just click on this right icon. Now they can see this icon in white color arrow. Click on this arrow and then just gallery. Click on the gallery, and this pic is done, and this pic is saved in my gallery. Now let me check if I have got this in my gallery. You will find a special folder with the name PicsArt, so that will be created by the PicsArt only. See, this is the pic which we have created. So I hope you have enjoyed learning the pic editing, and if you want to learn something more or some more editing which is there in your mind and you are not knowing about it, you can really contact me personally and we can learn it. So that is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and keep liking and keep exploring. Thank you.